What I wish I knew at 14 instead of 24, Isaac Newton's mind-blowing contributions to science could change your perspective. Isaac Newton wasn't just an Apple enthusiast. This man revolutionized our understanding of the world. First up, his laws of motion. These three laws are the foundation of classical mechanics and explain how objects move and interact. Next, we can't ignore his work on universal gravitation. Newton figured out that every particle in the universe attracts every other particle. Yep, that's why the apple fell. Then there's calculus. While it might make students groan, Newton developed this powerful math tool to solve problems that baffled his contemporaries. Don't forget his work in optics. Newton showed that white light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. His experiments with prisms were nothing short of magical. So, next time you drop something or see a rainbow, give a nod to Newton, the guy who saw the universe in ways no one else could.